Good morning everyone. Bit of a very dirty patio today. Look at the state of this. Look at that. So it's Indian sandstone. Lots of black spot. And as we go over here, it gets even dirtier. My life, look at that. Absolutely filthy. So that's our first job of the morning. And then we'll go on to a second one. Old washing machine there, needs to be moved. So we shall see how it comes up. I plan to steam clean it and put some chemical treatments on as well. Okay, that's us all done here, so I'll just tidy up the cables and then we'll go to the next job. Okay, that's the sandstone patio done. So we're off back into Bournemouth now. We are now at the Lansdowne area of Bournemouth, if anybody knows this area. Lots of college accommodation here, building work going on. Anyway, we're going to have a look at a block of flats, and it's a refurbishment job. So the developer just wants the wall all tidied up, which looks more attractive, so he can sell his flats. So let's go and have a look.
Well, this is the job. So it's all the inside and outside of the walls and the coping stones. Go round here. So it's a big old wall. This will come up lovely, this will. And then we go all the way down here. I'll take you down here so you can see. Yeah, look, loads of it. Goes right down there. Look at the state of it. This will come up really nice.
Okay, that's a nice job booked in for tomorrow. So we shall clean that wall and that'll look absolutely fabulous. But it's 11:30 now and I'm going to call it a day. So I'm off to the cafe to get myself a nice breakfast and a cup of tea. So I shall see you later. Thanks for watching. What's this dipstick doing?